What is the eligibility criteria for redeeming 3 months free Apple TV?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about the eligibility criteria for redeeming 3 months free Apple TV Plus subscription. Apple TV Plus is a great service, providing a wealth of original shows and movies. And getting access to it for free for 3 months? That's even better. But first, you need to understand the eligibility criteria.
Who is eligible?
The first and foremost thing you need to know is who is eligible for this exciting offer. The offer is typically open to new and returning Apple TV Plus subscribers who purchase an eligible Apple device. Remember, this doesn't apply to everyone. If you've previously benefited from a similar promotion, you may not be eligible.
What devices are eligible?
Now, what do we mean by an eligible Apple device? Well, Apple provides this offer to customers who purchase any new iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Apple TV, or Mac capable of running the latest iOS, iPadOS, tvOS, or macOS. That's a wide range of devices, but you need to ensure that the device you purchase is eligible to run the required software.
How long do I have to redeem the offer?
The time frame for this offer is essential. You have to redeem this offer within 90 days of the eligible device activation. If you miss this window, you won't be able to take advantage of this offer. So don't forget to set a reminder.
How to redeem the offer?
Now, how to redeem this offer? First, turn on your new Apple device and sign in with your Apple ID. Then, open the Apple TV app. You should see the offer right there. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to redeem your 3 months free Apple TV Plus. Remember, you'll need to agree to the Apple TV Plus terms and conditions, so make sure to read those carefully. And that's all there is to it. By understanding the eligibility criteria and the redemption process, you can easily make use of your 3 months free Apple TV Plus subscription. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you enjoy your new Apple device and all the incredible content on Apple TV Plus. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!